This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open bonnet. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, push the safety catch to one side, then fully open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet prop. Close bonnet. Remove and stow the bonnet prop and close the bonnet firmly, making sure it's locked into position.